So, what's up guys? So today, meron na naman tayong bagong extreme smile rehab. So from this to this. So, if you guys want to find out how we did it, stay tuned.
Ito nga pala ang case natin for today. Si Mrs. Santos came to us with a few concerns. Yung upper denture niya ay maluwag kasi yung natitirang tatlong ipin niya sa kanan ay gumagalaw dahil sa periodontal disease. Sa lower naman, her bridge didn't match her natural teeth kaya mukhang fake. Ang ginawa namin, nag-extract kami ng lahat ng upper teeth at gumawa ng 3D printed denture na perfect ang fit. Sa lower, we made a 6-unit bridge sa anterior at partial flexible 3D printed denture. And ang kagandahan dito ay in case masira o mawala ang denture, we can easily duplicate it and it will be exactly the same. Natapos namin ang buong treatment in just 7 days. Now, Mrs. Santos has a beautiful and comfortable smile again.
Para sa mga pasyente na gusto kong makausap, pwede tayong mag-online consultation or actual consultation para malaman nyo kung paano natin gagawin ang inyong smile rehab. Thank you guys for watching my videos guys. Ako nga po pala si Doc Sly Bukad and goodbye.